What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a roof inspection with a drone. So with saying that, let's get the drone and get started. Okay, so now that I have my drone, I'm actually going to be using the DJI Mini. DJI Mavic Mini to do this inspection. It's just a small drone, as you can see. And my phone and the controller, I'm actually going to put it down on its case. There is a tree right above me, so hopefully it can get signal. Let me see, let me go into the app. Okay, so the app's working, as you guys can see. I am screen recording so you can see what's going on. And it did find the home, so compass calibration. I have to calibrate the compass. This is usually good to do anyways, because I'm gonna be flying around a metal roof and I gotta get close into really close spots. So it's really good to calibrate the compass anyway. So let's get started with that. And there you go, it's fully calibrated. Now I'm dizzy, but it's fully calibrated. All right, and here we go.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
All right, so the first thing I like to do is put it in the camera mode, because I'm not gonna be shooting video. I'm actually gonna be taking pictures. Perfect. And I like to get a shot like this. Oh, gotta have the sun can't be peeking, that's for sure. Okay, and then I like to go around where the sun's at, make sure I don't hit no trees. There is a lot of trees on this property. Obviously, watch where you're going whenever you do this. Go up higher if you need to, like I'm doing here. Okay, now I'm gonna go up and get one like this. So whenever we go into the computer, we can do it perfectly. Now what I also like to do is just make sure my pictures are turning out pretty good. I click on just to make sure everything is working accordingly. And it is, everything's good. So now I want to get the other side. And just to remind you, I do have to get really close-up shots as well. But I like to do all the wide shots first. And me actually talking to the camera and being here on the camera is making it a tiny bit more difficult, just because I like to see exactly where the drone's going, especially if there's a lot of trees like there is now. But it's okay, I'm doing it for you guys. It's gonna be my excuse. One thing I do too is I always take more pictures than I should. And what that does is, if one just happens to be corrupted or blurry or something crazy, I will always have hopefully another one for backup. And as you can see, this little DJI Mavic Mini is very, very capable of doing the job. It's a very good drone, has plenty of megapixels. It flies perfect, it's steady. Honestly, nothing to worry about. Now I'm going to get some close-up shots, which is going to require me to get close to some trees, which is fine. I'm gonna take off my glasses. Hold on one second. So with this job, it's very important to get very close-up shots of the screws, which might require you to get in some tight spot. But as you see, the compass sometimes like to go crazy whenever you get around metal. You get too close to metal. So you always got to be cautious for that. But get as close as you can without it freaking out. And what's cool about the little DJI Mavic Mini is it's so small. If it falls out the sky, as long as you're not around people, everything is going to be okay. As long as you're not around people, you don't want to hit nobody. That is a fact. You definitely don't want to hit people. One thing's for sure, you don't need the drone to fall on the roof without having a ladder, because you won't be able to get it. That would suck, for sure. So let me go above the roof and get some close-ups over here. Let me get some close-ups of this chimney real quick. That's a good one. Sorry, I'm trying to stay in frame at the same time of making sure I'm good here. Yeah, I know this part is a little tedious. I think that's the word I'm looking for. You gotta be real slow and get just the right shot. So yeah, right here I'm getting really close-up shots of the house, of the roof. I'm getting close-up shots of anything I might think that the person that hired me would want. Right here you can see the screws. Up close, you can see everything. So it's very important to get that. Right here, I'm getting close-up shots of the screws, and it's very important to do that. The person that looks at these photos can zoom in and get real specific on what they want to look at. The drone has good megapixels to be able to see what they need to see. As you can see here, very close to each location. It's very important to get very close to what you're shooting so they can see what's up. And as you can see coming up, see how those pictures right there are very close to the screws. Very important that they can see how those screws were put in. So with saying that, thanks for watching, subscribe and like, and have a good day.